What's up, YouTube? Today we're discussing the best times to work at night. It's currently 4:25. So I was finishing up my lunch break and I got a $9 Uber Eats order. Put it on the screen. So we're heading to Roma's now. Roma's Pizzeria. Alright, so we just dropped off that Roma's lickety split. And I got a $9 7-mile Doordash. And then Uber got jealous and sent me a $10 3-mile Bubba Coos. Of course, I had a stiff-arm Doordash. I canceled the order. So the best times to work during the night, if I had to pick 2 hours, it would be 5:30 to 7:30 for my market. Might be 5 to 7 in your market. You're gonna have to test it out and see what works best for you. If I had 3 hours, I would do 5 to 8. You might want 4:30 to 7:30 or 4 to 7, depending on your market. Test it out. That's the dinner rush. You get bigger orders, better tippers as well. Normally I make about $25 per hour, but at night I average $30 per hour, I would say. Definitely make more money at night. So a couple minutes away from Bubba Coos now, so I'll update you guys soon. Alright, so after we dropped off that Bubba Coos, I ended up driving towards my main work zone. So I just picked up my first order, my first pickup. It was at Chili's. Now I'm heading on over to my second pickup. That's at Somo's Handcrafted Arepas, I think it's called. They got some good beef patties. Oh man, some beef empanadas. Ooh, I kind of want to get one now. Oh my gosh, you guys aren't gonna believe what happened. So I got to Somo's and then I asked them how long it was going to be to finish the order, and they said 10 minutes. It ended up being over 30 minutes. It's always good to check with a restaurant employee how long the order is going to take. You could cancel. If it's going to take 10 minutes, you should just cancel. In this case, it was a double. I already picked up the first. I didn't want to risk canceling the second and then only getting paid like $3 or $4 for only the first. So I waited and it was okay. But that's something you have to decide, you have to manage, you have to evaluate, and you'll learn what the best decision is the more experience you gain. Update you guys soon. Alright, so I just dropped off those 2 orders. Then I got a Doordash. I think it was like $10, 6 miles. Headed back to my work zone. So I'm doing that now. Alright, update here. As I was dropping off that Doordash order, I ended up getting a $10 Grubhub order for about 4 miles. So I already took care of that. As I was dropping off the Grubhub order, I got a $11 Uber for about 5-6 miles. So I just picked up that Uber order from Dairy Queen. Somebody wants some ice cream. Personally, it's too cold for all that. I had to put my beanie on. Keep me warm. So yeah, after I had to wait 30 minutes for that order, I had to start rapid firing orders to make up for it. So this will be my third $10 order. I'll be able to take care of all 3 of these within like 50 minutes. So that'll definitely help bounce back from that 30-minute wait. So as always, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you're looking for more, watch this video here. This will teach you how to make over $20 per hour consistently, the strategies I use, and how you can apply them no matter where you're working.